Hi, my name is Jill. I channel angel messages and angel energy. We're all many things, and one of the other things I am is a Jin Shin Jyutsu practitioner. That's what the focus of this video is. So someone I know is heading into surgery soon, an ankle surgery, and I'm noticing a lot of joint surgeries, ankles, knees, and this often happens right before a big collective step forward. Individually, we're working on our knees and our ankles. So this is a focus on pre-surgical preparation and pain management after the fact. So you could use it as that, or you could use it as preparation for any type of stressful situation and pain management if that's just something that you deal with, because many of us do. So, pre-surgical preparation. Within Jin Shin Jyutsu, there are what they call safety energy locks or energy centers. There are 26 of them that are moving, living biospheres the size of your own palm. Jin Shin Jyutsu pulls down creator energy with the sun. It hits our solar plexus, spreads throughout our body, and we use our jumper cable hands to harmonize ourselves. We all have jumper cable hands. That is a very simplistic explanation of Jin Shin Jyutsu, but if you just follow along, this can work for you. So the first way we're going to visualize our way with Jin Shin Jyutsu into a safe and effective surgery or a safe and stress-free situation. So put the right hand on the right side of the forehead. This is Safety Energy Lock or Energy Center 20, where we see as the Creator sees. The 4 right here at the back of the neck, at the base of the skull where it joins the neck, the occipital area, is the Safety Energy Lock 4. So all you're doing is just exhaling and inhaling. Imagine your exhale is moving down the front of the body. Inhale up the back. Put your attention to the right hand on the forehead. We know this is next to the third eye chakra. Here we are seeing as the Creator sees. Start the visualization moving here of what you would like the surgery to be. Send some Creator energy into the room where the surgery is happening or where you're meeting a new person or starting a new job. And then put your attention to the left hand that is holding your own skull, giving balance to your own head, your own mind. And this energy center is known as the window to the soul. So now just imagine the energy moving between the left hand and the right. And this is really all we're doing with our jumper cable hands. We are moving the energy between the hands. And if you are breathing, this is happening. So in this position, again, visualize the situation or surgery you're walking into. Send some love to the other people walking into this situation. If you don't know what they look like, just send it to their energy. Just imagine their energy in a color. Imagine you being safe and calm in this new situation. Imagine what the lights feel like on your face. Imagine yourself standing or resting calmly, breathing. Exhale and inhale again. And on your own time, you can hold yourself in this way. You can switch sides, obviously, and hold yourself. It's calming the whole mind, really, when you're holding yourself in this way. Calming both hemispheres, balancing the mind, and visualizing all at the same time. And then you can Drop your hand down on the neck, whichever hand you have on your neck, to the center of the neck. This is Safety Energy Lock 12. This is thy will versus my will. That's the universal meaning. And we often get in internal battles, so sometimes we just need to let it up to universal will, creator will, whatever words you'd like to put on it. So another way just to de-stress, just to move the stress energy out of the head, is to just release everything up and out to the universe, and then move down the energy centers, down the head and the upper chest. So again, the 20, see as their creator sees, let go of fear. Creator holds no fear. Exhale at this spot. And you can keep these holds for just a minute until you start to feel calm. You can take 36 breaths at each spot. You can, whatever feels right to you. It's all about your comfort. And then when you're ready, when you're doing this on your own time, you can move down to Energy Center or Safety Energy Lock 21. This is where we release mental bondages. And we're just releasing the stress and worry, just moving down and down out of the head. So the 20 here. Inhale, 21, letting go of worry. Inhale. 22, which is right in alignment with the high heart chakra, which communicates between the throat and the heart, allowing us to move and speak our own truth. And the 22 in JSJ is about adaptation. Just adapt to the new situation, the surgery, with grace and ease. And again, you can switch hands and move down again. And really, in Jin Shin Jyutsu, 36 is considered a complete breath cycle. 36 exhales and inhales, one cycle equals one exhale and one inhale. So you could do, I know my math, you could do 9 breaths, or no, 12 breaths at each of the 3 centers to equal 36. You could do 9 breaths at each of these, and then just hold your palms together. The palm is where we find balance. So you could do 9 going down as you're holding, moving down each of these, 20, 21, 22. And then put your palms together and take another set of breaths. Just actually do that right now. Just put your palms together, exhale and inhale. And then we will move on to the pain management tips, which are to hold the wrist. JSJ is simple. The energy centers or safety energy locks 17 and 18 are on the wrists. They truly help with the nervous system, which we know is connected to pain. Holding these centers is kind of like an aspirin for the body, helps release inflammation. So you can hold both sides. Again, you can implement the 36 breaths, or you can just hold until your body starts to calm down and switch to the other side. Another way to help pain is to focus on the inhale and the exhale and get centered in the body. Energy centers 1 are on the inside of the knees. So you can just lay and rest your hands on the inside of the knees, or cup your hands and reach down in. So if you cup your hands and move to the other side, so I'm putting my right hand, putting it in, right in there, digging in, holding on to the thigh, and my index finger is touching the inside of the joint at the knee. That's the 1. And then I'm putting my left thumb on my left hip and putting my fingers on my back. Right here, you're touching the 2, which helps with the inhale. So exhale and inhale. Exhale and inhale. And again, take as many breaths as you like, breath cycles, but just breathe. Exhale and inhale. And then switch sides. I am grabbing the inside juncture of my knee. Exhaling. Putting my thumb on my hip, wrapping my fingers around, helping the inhale. Inhale up the spine. Exhale. Inhale. And then to finish out, you can actually sit on your hands. These are Safety Energy Locks 25. Right at the end of your bottom. Sitting on your hands is a slow regeneration. So you can slowly regenerate. We can all do this. This helps calm the body. This regeneration energy. And as I'm doing this, I'm feeling lots of pink energy. So the angel energy in me never goes away. Just really guided to pink today. Pulling in Archangel Ariel, who really does like to help us move through change with love, with minimal frustration or no frustration. Just visualize any new situation as stress-free. Visualize the whole energy of the room as pink before you walk in. Ask Ariel to step in before you do. Inhale, exhale. And as I exit, I'm going to pulse some rose quartz energy into your mind, into your heart, and into your root. So we are grounding in this peaceful energy of the rose quartz. Rose quartz is like a hug from someone you love. So I love you too. Just as one human to another, sending pulsing love, aerial love, and Jin Shin Jyutsu knowledge. I bless your day.